Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video we are going to start wiring. You can see I have a bunch of papers here of just trying to plan out the wiring. So I've got each panel where, each board, each component where wires end, and we are noting what wires come out of it and where they go. We have piles of wires here. This is all from Wire Barn. They offer pretty good prices on stuff for being able to get striped wire and things like that, which is nice. We've got pins here for the connectors at the firewall. These are some crimp connectors for the relay board. We've got wires here for MSD stuff on our Billet button, and then a plug for our Rife. We've got piles of Deutsch connectors and Deutsch bus bars and stuff all over there. So this is a lot. But we're gonna get started on it. There's no way we're finishing this in a week or even a few days or any of that. It's probably gonna take a few weeks, but we're getting started. We're gonna start under the dash. We're going to put wires from our fuse panel, our leash relay / fuse panel, get those going up to the firewall bulkheads from Maven Performance, and that'll give us kind of a beginning of our layout for our wires under the dash. So we'll start there, get a couple going. We'll probably end up pulling everything out, pulling it out onto the bench, and start trying to do some of this on the bench once I've got some good wire lengths figured out. And then we have to tie in all the factory switches for heater, wipers, lights, all that stuff. So there's still a few things to figure out. I've been trying to figure it all out as much as I can ahead of time. So that's where we're starting. Lots to do. Just kind of got to start digging in. So anyway, let's just get to it and see what we can get done this week. All right, made a little progress this week. Really was only able to make it out to the garage one night. Pesky work got in the way. It happens though. So we have the beginning layouts of our underdash wiring. This is all body wiring stuff. It's going to go to the 16-pin connector on the Maven firewall bulkhead connectors. So that is cool. This is basically the start of our underdash wiring layout. So it's a good start, and it'll just keep going from here. You know, just kind of take it one wire at a time and just push through. So we've got a few different wires here, fan, headlights, high beam, low beam, heater power, that has to go through the firewall, a couple others here, but really just kind of starting and pushing forward. I think the more I get into it, the easier it's going to be to just keep going. So we'll get some more here in the next week and just keep pushing forward. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.